Hey guys, so how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Binance Day 3 update. So if you guys could smash that like button, we will go straight over to the Binance account and see what's going on. So yeah, just refresh this. So yeah, had a nice little bit of a move up. We're starting to make a little bit of progress. As you can see, we're at 1.0127 BTC, so that's looking good. Also, we have added a few more coins to the list now. So these are what I've managed to get into on the moment. If you ignore BNB, I bought that because I've got orders in and to buy some of the coins that only have BNB pairs and not USDT pairs. So yeah, we've got at the moment we've still got 6.3. Still got basically we've got 63% of our one Bitcoin left to invest. But yeah, Carbon Network making a nice move. So we've got Ren, Swipe, Waves, Engine Coin, 0x, Decentraland, MCO, LTO, and obviously not BNB. That's just there for liquidity. And then Tezos. So yeah, all looking good so far. A little bit of a move up, but nothing too substantial. So yeah, this is our updated list for the time being. Some new ones at the bottom. Waves, Ren. Well, Ren's not really a new one. It wasn't on the list before. Then Swipe. So yeah, these are just the gains from a few weeks ago. We'll probably delete these and start these again from the beginning, because they're just on my main. I've just copied over from my main sheet. But yeah, we've seen some big moves. Some big moves. The big move in iExec. Let's get that up here. Obviously, well, not necessarily obviously, but I wasn't able to get in on this coin yet on this account, but I hold it anyway, so it was fine. It's just obviously is what it is with this account. But yeah, we're back up to another daily 9. So yeah, maybe I'll get a chance to get in around these 1.2s in this account. I've actually taken some profits on my other account for this as well. Yeah, so hopefully gonna get a retrace so we can get back into this amazing coin. Kyber also making a bit of a move. Kyber Network making a bit of a move. If we zoom this in a bit, yeah, it was looking good for a bounce off the daily 21. Obviously this is an important level. Once we get above there here, then yeah, I think we can see we'll see some acceleration to the upside. We'll start annotating some of these charts as well. But yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at here. A nice move up. Carver, I mean, it's not my favorite, but it's making a bit of a move, so we may look to buy this at the daily 21. I mean, realistically, I would like to buy, given the chance, given the opportunity, a back test of this breakout level. That would be an ideal entry for me. I mean, it may work out, it may not work out, but that would be an entry that I would be happy to speculate at. So we'll just leave that on there for the time being. Yeah, we've just done RLC. Yeah, I mean the level realistically I want in RLC is, well, I don't know if I'll be so lucky. Yeah, so that's it. That's pretty much an update really, guys. I'm gonna have to shoot now. But yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. So that's basically our overall account list, and yeah, I'll speak to you soon.